Hi, I'm Deb, Content Manager at Autoshop Solutions. As an auto repair shop owner, your website is essentially the face of your business and creates a first impression. So, what does a professional website include to help you successfully market your auto repair shop? Professional brand and image. An easy to navigate website is the first introduction of your business, inspiring trust and confidence that leads to higher conversion rates and customer loyalty. Important information. Your website should highlight your services, operating hours, location, and customer reviews, showing you offer quality services. Communication. Your website can connect customers with your services, appointment scheduling, updates, blogs, and specials. Online presence. A well-designed and maintained website can improve your visibility on search engine pages, drive more traffic, and build trust and credibility. Your company's website is vital to your auto repair shop success. It is your brand's reputation, so make it front and center. Thanks for watching. To learn more or ask a question we can feature in an Autoshop Academy video, please use the link below or email our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.